Did you know half of Americans struggle to cook the simplest meals, even though it's a life skill that teaches you the value of money, helps you save money, and can improve your health? Yet so many people don't know how. This is how to make scrambled eggs. For your safety, have an adult around. Do not use water in the event of a grease fire. Do not touch the fire. Check stovetop to see if it is on or off. You will need eggs, salt, pepper, butter, or cooking oil, as well as a pan, plate, utensil, and stovetop. There are several kinds of stovetops and utensils you can use: gas, electric, or induction stovetops, spatulas, chopsticks, or forks. Make sure you know how to use your stove before you cook. Step 1. Find a place to cook. Step 2. Wash your hands. Step 3. Gather ingredients. Step 4. Place everything near stovetop. Step 5. Turn stove on. Step 6. Place oil on hot pan. Step 7. Crack egg. Step 8. Use utensil to scramble. Move egg around. Step 9. 1 pinch of salt and 1 of pepper. You can add more later. Step 10. Let fry. Step 11. Turn stove off and lift pan. Step 12. Transfer the plate. Step 13. Enjoy. Hope you're hungry. I'm Sophia from the Marauder News Network, and I'm signing off.